Out of everyone who could have been given this exact life, these exact struggles, this exact moment, right now, Allah picked you, not by accident, not as a placeholder. You specifically. Give me a few minutes, because what I'm about to say might change how you see everything you're currently going through. When you hear chosen, you probably picture something that feels good recognition, ease, a clear blessing. But being picked by Allah for something doesn't always arrive wrapped in comfort. Sometimes being chosen looks like carrying a struggle most people wouldn't be able to hold, or being placed in a situation that tests you in ways that feel unfair. Allah says in the Quran, Allah does not charge a soul except with that within its capacity. If you've been given something heavy, it's not because you were overlooked. It's because you were specifically capable enough to be trusted with it. Nobody else has your exact combination of struggles, gifts, timing, and circumstances. That specificity isn't an accident of biology or chance. It's selection. Out of every version of a life that could have existed, this one, with everything you're currently carrying, was assigned to you deliberately. The weight you're holding was never a mistake in distribution. It was placed in the one set of hands Allah decided could hold it. It's easy to only see the difficulty of right now and miss what it's actually shaping. Being picked for this season isn't only about surviving it. It's about who you're quietly becoming while you go through it. The patience, the reliance on Allah, the depth you're gaining that easier circumstances never would have built. You weren't just picked to endure this. You were picked to be changed by it. The way you carry something changes depending on how you understand why you're carrying it. If you believe this was punishment, you'll carry it with resentment. If you believe you were specifically chosen for it, you'll carry it with a different kind of strength, one rooted in trust instead of bitterness. Choose to see it as selection, not rejection. Out of everyone, it was you, not by accident, by design. Comment. I was chosen if you're deciding to see it that way today, and if someone you know needs this reminder, send it to them. Allah Hafiz.